Hello friends, you all are welcome in my channel College Botany online free learning, and you are studying the factors affecting on enzyme activity with Yuvraj. There are several internal and external factors which affect the activity of enzymes. The important factors that affect the rate of enzyme catalyzed reactions are pH, temperature, allostatic modification, and feedback mechanism. But for your syllabi, we will discuss only two factors, the pH and temperature. So pH is nothing but a negative logarithm of H plus ion concentrations present in the cell. The enzymes are very sensitive to the pH of the medium in which the enzymes showing the reactions. Basically, the enzymes are proteinaceous in the nature. The pH remarkably affect the enzyme activity. This is because the amino acids making up the active sites of enzymes and that must be in the proper ionization state in order to remains the active or activity of enzyme. All enzyme has a characteristics optimum pH for their maximum activity. At a low pH, there is no enzyme activity can record. Similarly, at the high pH, the enzyme activity also showing very less. However, some of the enzymes activate at acidic pH condition, example is the pepsin, while some of the enzymes showing activity at high alkaline pH condition, example is a trypsin. But generally, the enzymes are active at optimum pH, and that range is the 4 to 9. Here you are looking a graph, and that graph is showing the enzyme activity going to be increased from pH 4.5 to the 8. After the 8 pH condition, the enzyme activity declining off. So maximum activity get recorded at the pH 8. The pH is very important because the enzymes means proteins amino acid residue remains intact at a particular pH. If pH going to be down or become a more, then the residue get distorted and enzyme become inactive and the reaction rate decreases and finally the reaction get stopped. So therefore the pH is very important limiting factor for the enzyme activity. The other factor is the temperature. So temperature is one of the most important factor that control the enzyme reaction. At a 0 degree Celsius, the most of enzymes are inactive. When there is increase in temperature, the rate of enzymatic reaction get accelerated or increased. The increased rate continue up to the maximum, that is Vmax, for a particular enzymatic reaction. If there is 10 degrees Celsius increase in the temperature, the rate of reaction is get doubled up, but that is up to the 40 degrees Celsius. After 40 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction going to be decline. It's showing that the maximum activity of any enzyme can be seen at 25 degrees Celsius to the 40 degrees Celsius. At a high and low temperature, the enzyme activity get reduced. This is due to the temperature effect on the bonds of amino acids, and the enzyme get denatured or destroyed. So the enzyme is acting as very important limiting factor for the enzymatic activity. The temperature is acting as very important limiting factor for enzymatic activity. This is all regarding the factors affecting on enzyme activity. Thank you very much.